Well viewers, another beautiful day in Gran Canaria. We are in Puerto De Mogan. Let's just take a wee random walk through the back streets. Quite a nice promenade, isn't it? Lots of nice restaurants. Large beers, €2.50. I did see one place advertising $1.65. You'd have seen that in my other video probably. Beautiful day, 28 degrees, nice wee beach. It's nice round there as well. Let's take a wee walk around the back streets, but see what they've got. I've seen a few shops when I come in here. If you want to see the promenade, check out my other video I've done here. I'll leave a link at the end of the video, probably up here. Watch to the end, I'll leave a wee link. Fancy a cocktail. No prices, I don't know how much it is. Oh, hold on. That's just ice cream, $6.50. So that's a Mexican place. Anyway, let's head down. We're going to go left here, viewers. Now you'll see some nice scenery in Puerto De Mogan. 20 minutes in the bus. If you want to dive, they've got a dive shop here. 20 minutes in the bus from Puerto Rico. I think it was about €3. There was a bit of confusion on the bus, which I won't go into, but I think it was €3, roughly, maybe $3.15. Check out the views. So, visually quite an impressive place, and they've got quite a lot of shops, so you could easily come here for the day, even if the two of you weren't into shopping. Maybe one person's into shopping, other person just likes to sit at the promenade and have a wee beer, and it sounds good. Not seen that shop before. There's the outlet store. Oh, out for lunch, back at 4:10. I think it's past that time just now. If it's a long lunch, I'll maybe get into those large beers on the promenade. The bus station, when I say bus station, it's basically just a wee parking bit, just round the corner to the right. Buses come, I think, every 20 minutes. How much does it cost to buy property here? I hear you asking, let's see. Okay, that's pretty cheap. 4-bedroom, €1,050 per month. That seems not too bad. But then you've got these wee ones here. 237,000. 5-bedroom up. One there at €800,000, a wee bit more. So a variety of prices. A lot of people window shopping there. But for rent, what's that, £900 a month for like a 4 or 5-bedroom in Puerto De Mogan. Surprised accommodation's not more expensive here. Shops are nice, aren't they? RKS. So that wee side street just takes you back down to the beach, and there is the aptly named beach shop on the left. To get a wee supermarket as well. Need a wee pair of trainers like I do, then in there will be your place. Let's continue. It's nice and shaded here. Still really can I get my bearings. It's a very, very small place, Puerto De Mogan, tiny, but I'm just still figuring out where the wee back streets and side streets are. Check out those houses up on the hill. If you fancy one of those, you'll need a car for that, that's for sure. Need a chemist, pharmacy kind of place in there. If you're in Puerto De Mogan, you have any emergencies. A wee souvenir shop over there. So the bus station, from memory, it's just round the corner. Parking's €9, it says there. Got a wee car park. Popular chain here. Kid shop as well. A wee boutique shop. This shop's Ideal. Sells everything, look. Ideal shop. Literally sells everything in there. Lacoste shop, so they have got some kind of higher end shops as well. Yeah, from memory I think the bus station's just up there. It's literally 2 minutes away, so you're not going to struggle to find it if you're here, I don't think. Well, it's possible I might, to be honest. We'll see. Oh, look, I've just found something that would interest me if I was staying here. Look at this cow again following me. Alley hop. I didn't even notice this in the way in. Again, follow me everywhere I go. So they're all over the place, aren't they? I get quite a lot of comments, people love these shops. I went in once to get a USB lead, it was like €10. Obviously I left, I didn't buy it. Urban lifestyle. This will go on the shopping playlist, I think, because it's kind of probably more suitable for that. A few other places up here, I've just seen a find. I hope you've watched this to the end. An amazing find at the end. Absolutely amazing find at the end. Wait till I show you. It's just round the wee corner here. I've just seen what we've got here. Puerto De Mogan. Armani shop. Inside shop. Stuff for €3 there. €3.99 for a t-shirt. Geez, that's cheaper than there, isn't it? €15 there. Inside-shops.com. So very, very affordable. There's a tattoo place here if you fancy a wee tattoo if you're here for the day. Another random souvenir shop selling everything. We're going to head back to me, but viewers, I found an amazing find. You'll see in a minute. Do a wee massage in there as well. Okay, not much up there. Bus station around the corner. Let's head down and I'll show you the best find of the day, viewers. Of the day. Did you see the Indian restaurant? It wasn't that actually, something else. Wait, I'll show you. I've not found any Euro pints in Gran Canaria yet. And Puerto De Mogan is definitely more expensive than Puerto Rico, although it does seem pretty affordable to me. It's not really that expensive at all. Look at those wee balconies up there. Somebody's flat maybe, or apartments, don't know. Nice. All the ones at the back as well. Could be a complex, could be a holiday complex. Pretty nice. So tandoori restaurant, Mr. India. But here's the most exciting part, viewers. In Puerto De Mogan, you can get a big pint for €2.50. Just the same as it is in the promenade. From a distance I thought it was €2. Do you see what they've done there? The 2's massive and then the 50's tiny. So from a distance you think it's €2. Then you get closer and you get so disappointed you need to pay an extra 50 cents. Still not bad, isn't it? So that is Mr. India. Let me know, MD Banana. It smells nice. Authentic Indian cuisine. Okay, I've got a wee sale going on in this wee shop here as well. What's going on here? They're doing this place up, fitting it out for a restaurant. Where is this taking us, viewers? Ah. Rob's Bar. No food, just drinks from 5 PM. So basically that is direct marketing there. No messing about with the food, just into the drinks at Rob's. Apartments there as well. Let's head down here. If you're new to the channel, do me a wee favour, hit that wee button there that says subscribe. It's absolutely free, don't worry, it does not cost a penny. And you get notifications for upload new videos from all over the place, including Gran Canaria. So Rob's Bar, good advertisement, like it. Good music, nice vibes. Even advertising on the shutters, cool. Happy hour. Alhambra, $2.75, glass of wine, $3.50, glass of sangria, $4.50, 3 to 5 PM, Riverbank Cafe Bar. I think that's it there, isn't it? Oh, Rob's Bar's not open, a minute. Rob's Bar, oh, I think it's just before 5 o'clock. Rob's Bar's going to be open soon. But in the meantime, you've got this wee one next door.
Yeah, they don't reflect heat, and they don't have air conditioning, so it gets hot.
Seems pretty affordable. A wee grill restaurant here as well. This will bring us back out towards the beach and the promenade. Let's head back down here. Create your own tapas here, interesting. Nice. A wee snacks here again, pretty affordable. Right next door, we've got high-end Gucci and all sorts in there. Geneve, all the brands there, if you can see it with the shadow. Okay, so I'm not sure if there's anything over there, viewers, but I'm going to check it out. Obviously, I won't waste your time going over there, but thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Look, we've ended back on the promenade. Lovely here, isn't it? Really nice. Nice for a day, just sitting, chilling. Got a couple of shops maybe. If you're in Gran Canaria and you're near, especially if you're staying in Puerto Rico, probably recommend jumping the bus for a day. It's worth it, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and we'll see you from Gran Canaria or from somewhere else soon. I'm away over here to check it out. See you in the next one. I'll leave a couple of videos up here that might interest you, up here and down there. Check them out on the channel. Thanks again. See you later.